In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and how to save new people to your address book so you can email them quickly in the future. First, open your browser and go to yahoo.com. Look to the top right and select Sign In. If you're already signed in, you can head straight to Mail, but if not, continue with the sign-in flow. On the sign-in page, choose Sign In to bring up the login form, click the highlighted username field, type your Yahoo email or username, and continue. When prompted, enter your password to finish signing in. If you have two-step verification enabled, follow the on-screen prompts to complete that. Once you're signed in, you'll be back on the Yahoo homepage. Next, click Mail at the upper right to open Yahoo Mail. Give it a moment to load your inbox. Inside Mail, find Contacts. Depending on your layout, you'll see Contacts on the left sidebar or as an icon in the same area. Open it and then choose All so you're viewing your entire contact list. This ensures you can immediately see any contact you add. Now select Add a new contact. A contact form will appear. Fill in the key details you want to keep. At minimum, add the person's email address and their first and last name so messages look clear and professional. You can also include a phone number, company, job title, and notes if you want extra context. Use the labels provided like mobile or work to keep things organized. If this person has more than one email address, add the additional address in the extra fields so you can choose the right one later. Keep names consistent and accurate. It helps Yahoo Mail suggest the correct contact when you start typing in the To field. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll return to your All Contacts view, and the new contact should now appear in the list. If you need to make a change, just open the contact again and edit or delete as needed. A quick tip: after saving, try composing a new email and begin typing the contact's name or email to confirm Yahoo auto-suggests it. That's a good sign everything is stored correctly. That's it. You went to Yahoo, signed in, opened Mail, navigated to Contacts, chose All, added a new contact, filled in the details, and saved. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.